welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a super exciting video. So we actually got our keys to our house a day early. Yay! So we are here filming the empty house tour. We're here now, we're gonna film, I'm gonna show you guys our new house. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys are excited. Make sure you hit the subscribe button for moving vlogs, for house, all kinds of house stuff. Yeah, just make sure you click that subscribe button and let's get into the tour. Okay, so here we are in the entryway. You wanna show them the walls and the floor and the, I don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, you're gonna make him be sick. I apologize in advance. James is my cameraman and, well, anyway. All right, so once you walk in, you're gonna turn over here and we'll go in here first. Come with me. So this is James's room where he's gonna put all of his stuff. You guys know if you watch my videos, he currently, well, he used to put it all in the dining room, but now he's gonna have his own room. How exciting. And then once you walk out this way, you have this little hallway. And then you have a bathroom, which is a bathroom, you know. It's only exciting when you need to use it. And then right here you have this little cute little linen closet. I mean, I guess it's cute, I don't know. And then this room, real quickly, pause the video, go down in the comments and tell me what you think this room is gonna be. Because I bet you're not gonna guess it. All right, now, you've had your chance to leave your guesses. This is gonna be my YouTube room, filming room, and I'm so excited that I'm gonna have like a separate filming area and office. So yeah, this is gonna be my YouTube filming room slash a closet to store random stuff that I'm not using at the moment. I thought about making this my office, but I decided to go a different way with my office, which you guys will see in a minute. But I was so excited that I get like a whole filming room and I don't have to like do it with my office or like put it in our bedroom and all that weird stuff. So this is my YouTube room, which is so exciting. Until James buys way too much stuff and then he ends up taking it over with all of his weird things that he buys. All right, and so here is our living room. And I'm so excited because we're gonna be able to put our couch in one piece and not have it separated like it is now. You guys know that that drives me crazy, so I'm so excited to have a living room that, I don't even want to say is big enough for our couch, but is shaped to where we can put our couch in one piece. And then we have this nice fireplace, which is gonna be great in the winter time, like all cozy. And then you turn right here, and this is the new Sticky Situations co-office slash James can work in here if he wants to also. But I'm really excited. I feel like it's gonna be weird to figure out the setup a little bit because there's that door right there. But I really like this space and I think it's gonna be really great. So, thumbs up for that. Once you walk in here, we have, this is the part of the house that we're going to update because I don't like it as much, but you guys will see. You may already see it behind me, but I'll talk about it. So this is our dining room area. We're actually gonna have a table and chairs again. It's gonna be awesome. Right here, if you guys know me, you would know that I kind of hate laundry rooms that are in the kitchen or like off of the kitchen, because there's just something about like carrying your dirty underwear through the kitchen that I don't like. So I had to get over myself for this, but this is our laundry room area. It obviously needs some work. We need to like paint the walls and pull up this nasty flooring, but
You can't tell it's gross in the video.
well, that's good because it's pretty bad, but we knew that when we, you know, bought it and everything, but it was gonna need a few updates. So the kitchen is not my favorite thing in the world because it just kind of looks old. So we're going to update it a lot. We're gonna be painting cabinets. We're going to be putting in different countertops. We're going to hopefully switch out the appliances. All that's happening, but not right away. So I think the first step is definitely to paint the cabinets. And then we'll go from there. So you guys won't see updates for a little while, minus the cabinets. We'll paint the cabinets pretty early on. This is my favorite part of the kitchen. This is gonna be my little coffee bar, and I'm so excited about it. I'm gonna set up my Keurig and tea and coffee and have my mugs up here. So when I do my vlogs, you guys will see this in the mornings. So that's exciting. And the other exciting part of this, you guys know if you watch my videos, I'm so excited to have a pantry and we don't have to store our food in cabinets anymore, and we can actually see everything that we have and stuff doesn't get pushed to the back and we forget we have it for like 5 years. Good times. And then when you walk out of the kitchen, you have this little coat closet. Not that exciting, I guess. Then we walk over here and we have the master bedroom, which is so exciting. I think eventually we'll like change the wall colors. I mean, it looks nice, but
too dark.
It is kind of too dark, so we might lighten it up a bit. So here we have our closet, which is pretty exciting. It's actually a pretty nice sized closet, and they left like all the little like organizer things here, which is awesome. So I don't know how well you can see it because the lighting is kind of weird, but you know, we're gonna fix lighting and wall colors and all that fun stuff. This is obviously just an empty house tour, so bear with me. Moving on over here, we have the bathroom, which is just a bathroom. It's not really that exciting, but I mean, it's exciting when you need to use it, so I think I already made that joke though in this video. So then you have your shower slash bathtub, and everybody's favorite, a toilet. Pretty exciting stuff. And now I'm gonna show you guys the backyard, which I'm so excited about because Dixie can finally run around and play. Come out here to the living room, and there's this nice door right here. And when you open the door, you walk out, and there's this nice deck, and there's a shed over here. And they even left their swing set so we can swing if we want to. And then the rest of it is, of course, just a yard. But I'm excited because Dixie can run around and play. What are you doing?
I was showing them the rest of the yard.
So yeah, that is our empty house tour. Alright guys, so that's the empty house tour. I'm so excited to get everything in here, and I'm going to show you guys an updated tour like once we get everything set up. But I thought it would be fun to just show you guys the empty house tour and for us to have these memories because this is like a big moment. So I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys are also. So leave me some comments down below telling me like what you're excited to see as far as setting up the house and, you know, the different things that we're going to fix in here. Let me know. Also, make sure you click that subscribe button so that way you don't miss a video. And if you click that bell notification, YouTube will let you know when I upload, so you'll never miss a video that way. And give this video a thumbs up if you are excited and ready for all the home content on this channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys very, very soon for more moving vlogs. Bye guys.